In a sunlit village, a healer blends Shinrin-yoku with a tea of Raisi and chaga to ease modern stress for travelers seeking clarity amid crowded cities. Walk slowly, breathe deeply, and notice 3 trees as the earthy tea loosens tension. This is not magic or pills, but a ritual that invites the body to truly reset its nervous system. A skeptic watches a stubborn shoulder loosen, sleep deepen, and conversations grow gentler as steam fades. The tale ends with a simple guide to recreate this nature-based practice anywhere, anytime.